Sapphire, I think, is one of those few stones that it doesn't matter who you talk to, where they are, where they live, everybody knows sapphire. And going back into history, up until the 17th century, sapphire was pretty much prohibited from anybody else wearing it except for members of royalty and the high priests, which I think plays into that desire for everybody to want to own sapphire as well, because it really was one of those things that it was almost like, yes, I've made it. I own sapphire.
We offer sapphire in any shape or form you can imagine at JTV. You know, we offer it in sterling silver, but we also offer it in gold settings and gold over settings. We also carry it in all the different colors of the rainbow, including the different phenomena like color change sapphire as well as star sapphire.
Sapphire is one of those stones that I think because of its broad appeal and because so many people want to own it, JTV has really done an amazing job of bringing sapphire in a variety of different styles and a variety of different price points. So if you're looking for sapphire, there is no better place to shop than JTV.